If you're used to using Excel where A plus B equals C and you can see A, you can see B, and you can see C, Power BI works a little different. Where Excel is very visual, Power BI takes a different type of mental modeling, and it takes some training and some time to understand the major differences.
That's where our training is really going to come into play. We help you actually automate those Excel spreadsheets, and you can see how easy it is to do that moving forward. Our Power BI trainings help you get out of Excel hell and into Power BI heaven. Our trainings are not out of the box. We customize them for each of our clients. If you say you're struggling in a particular area, we will actually customize our training to focus on that area.
Maybe you have some new team members that have no experience. Maybe you've tried and are wanting to better perform in Power BI. We can listen, meet with you, the stakeholder for this training, and determine what does this training need to look like. Our consultants are used to meeting with teams every day. They're not just trainers, they listen. They try to find a solution in this training that's going to work for you, and we tailor it to your needs.
What people find most valuable about our Power BI trainings are you get both group sessions, but you also get the one-on-one engagements with our expert consultants.
So for those folks who are the attendees of the training, the analysts, people working with the data, they're learning how to use that tool effectively. They're learning how to cut down on time it takes to turn into insights. They're learning how calculations work, how to use the tool on a day-to-day basis. We've got analysts who are working smarter, faster, more efficiently. We've got a management team who is really benefiting from a high-performing team who understands the tools that we've provided them. And our executive level, they're looking for great insights from all of this improved efficiency. So it really benefits not just those attending the training, but from the entire leadership team above it as well.
During our workshops, we ask each member to bring a report that they typically produce in Excel, and we help them build that in Power BI. At the end of the workshop, they have a fully automated Power BI report that they can use moving forward. And that's really where we see their aha moments.
One of the great aha moments during training is when you put a number up on a screen and you're starting to click around, and no matter how we slice and dice our data because of our great data model, we're getting the right answer without having to write any new formulas. It's really just a fun aha moment for everyone. So if you're struggling to learn Power BI, our Collectiv training environment is stress-free, it's engaged. We listen to your needs for the training, and we'll tailor it so that your team comes out of this training ready to work, and your executive and leadership team get results right after.